Hello. Today I will show you step by step how to create a fillable form using Microsoft Word. Fillable forms are a very useful and practical solution for those who want to collect information, receive applications, or prepare documents. Especially if you are sharing documents in a digital environment, you can make the process easier by having users fill in only necessary fields. If you want to see more informative content like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our video. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer and create a blank document. Before designing your form, I recommend that you plan with information the document will contain. For example, you may need fields such as name, surname, email, date selection, multiple choice boxes. Then, you need to activate the Developer tab of this Word to be able to add fillable fields. To do this, follow the path File, Options, Customize Ribbon from the top menu. In the window that opens, select the Developer option from the boxes on the right and click OK to exit. The Developer tab will now be visible in the top menu. Then, you switch to Developer tab, you will see a series of form controls that you can use. For example, Rich Text Content Control, Plain Text Content Control, Checkbox Content Control, Combo Box or Drop-down List Content Control. You can select any form field you want and place it in your document. When you click on each field, a Properties button appears in the top menu. From this area, you can edit the field name, default text, options, and other details. For example, you can specify which options will appear in the drop-down list here. After completing the form, you can protect the document so that users can only edit the fields you specify. To do this, click the Restrict Editing option in the Developer tab. Once you have finalized the document, you can save it as a PDF or share it directly in the Word format. This allows users to open the form on their computer, fill it out directly, print it, or send it back to you. Once you have completed all these steps, you will have a professional-looking digitally fillable Word form. Whether we are using it for job applications or silent information documents, creating forms with Word is both accessible and highly effective.